It's Tuesday Truths. Uncover truths, resilient STEM sisters. Neuroplasticity shifts tech to empathy power. Women hold 28% of global STEM jobs, battling biases all the time. The analytical tech brain differs from the empathetic leadership brain, and that's why my coaching helps new and old leaders rewire their brain to success. I helped one coachee define goals and see her value, therefore believing in her success. We helped her reframe her superpower. What truth owns you? My 3R framework: recognize limits, reframe assets, rewire, listening to ignite empathy circuits. You see, active listening builds trust. So triumph now. DM me or book a call.